Image Paodam Yang Tabiri Basango Hamamuta the Krumzari, Jose Maruba Pauda, Road to London Adventure Overland as Chief Minister and Bidena Lam Thakre. Nabi Angang de Chataba, Mute Minege, Mayukta, Tongan Tongamba, Kungsang Sing Kray. Lunana, Tataruk Satakar Daba Primary Teachers Training Program, Haudo Kray. Jose Pausan on a Bizari. Road to London Adventure Overland Heinemington by India dagi London Tamna Punba country Taranipan Pauraga Chakadaba kilometer lising Tara Sangba car rally ngasi Manipur ge Chief Minister and Birena Chingmairong the Laiba classic grandida Achamba Thoromama Pangtutuna Lamtha Kray Numin Nipuma Panni Changna Salaba Matung London the Tungaduriba rally Asida ka Taratarota participant Kuntaret Yauri Kongsat Asi Pusar Agrawal Amadi Sanjay Madan Kauba Mioi Anina Lusingli Amadi Talingi Tourism APSK Barrister Isra Stapana Sepsu Sadugari Ngasi Minister na Rally Flag of Tawdringegi Mawina na Pangtopatharomda Forest and Environment Minister T.S. Samkumar Social Welfare Minister Namcha Kibzent Manipur Ge Chief Secretary Suresh Babusu Sadugaki Nasigi Tharomda Wangal Leduna, Chief Minister na Manipur ki National Highway Chamasumna Ani Impal Model Lambi Asi Yamna Maroiba Lambi Oibatanatana Corridor of India Oirakpana Land Hamnabagi Mari Thamnabagi Sangat Saganava Sandrin Gamena Lupakro Lising Taramanga Sanjan Tawrakle Haiki.
Scenic beauty and the cultural potential of the northeast part, but these days due to this kind of adventurous things and this kind of moment, and Northeast is coming in the limelight and the focusing is to the internationally. And you will be happy to know that the highways, the only highways, the corridor which is will be connected with the rest of the world, with India, is the More. It will go always through Impal. And now the road also is going to be widened in 4 lanes. And the government has already sanctioned 1,600 crore from Impal to More.
BJP ke Nongthambam Birena Lusingba Anawa Sarkar gi Chingi Jila Singda Pangthopa Cabinet Mifam ngasi Marisuba Oina Senapati Jila ge headquarter gi DRDA ge conference hall da Mukhamantri na chia logduna pangthokre Mukhamantri Nongthambam Birena Madi Mahake Council of Minister na Senapati District Headquarters da Thonglabada Jila aduki tongan-tongamba Kangloki Miyoi Singna Natki Oiba Pizon Chetna Amadi Skunge Mairu Singna Mukhamantri Amadi Cabinet Minister Singbu Harautayamna okay. Ayupung Taramatumakai Karehen Bada DRDA ge conference holder Mukhamantri Upamukhamantri Council of Ministers Singna Cabinet Mipamda Charuya Ki Mukhamantri na Cabinet Yawba Lakpagi Lambida Miyoi Kharagasu Unaduna Pangtokaduriba Mipamasida Jila Asige Chakwatnabagidama Kanabalakbani Haina Pongdoki Mukhamantri na Cabinet ke Mipam Houdringeda Karongda Chamagasumna Mapansuba CRPF na Civics X program ge Makada Saba Public Convenience Amasangaduna Miamda Kusinaki Tharamadуда Mukhamantri na Pongdoki Bada CRPF hase Chumnagi Law and Order Ngapadanatana Mipamda Chauna Mating Pangbada Nuai Haina Pongdoki Tharamadуда Manipur Nagaland ge CRPF IC Brikamsu Charugyaki Tungda Mukhamantri na Karongda Tahi Taraki Mamangda Saba Hakulang Lamba Mini Sports ki Stadium Yangsan Bagalwina na Lady Stadium Ase Amohana Sangana Bathabak Lokakani Haiki Mukhamantri na ngasi pangthokliba Cabinet Mifam Ase Chingi Jilada Marirak Sobani Jorsampur Tamenglong Chandenda Pangthoklaba Matungda Senapati Headquarters da Pangthokpani Mahangna Mapam Adugi Miamna Corporation Pibada Thagapa Pongdoki Mana Makata Arduna Senapati Headquarters da Sariba Imakaiten Jun Taramangada Sangana Bapandam Tamble Ziriba Mamusum Kangpokpigi Imakaiten su Loisilagle Ukrungisu Loisilagle Haiki Senapati da Saramliba Imakaitengi Pium Urubada Mahag Apinba Pui Haiki Naga People's Organization na Pazana Corporation PK Haidi Ngasigi Mipamatu da Puna Cabinet na Agenda Tramapan Khankibada Kharadi Defertoki Haidi Manipurda Nomata Kangdana Nupi Angang Satava Miot Minai Rep Gaske Crime Sing Lengang Nangasi Power Domination Baki Mayok the Yaning the Pungdutana Dongan Tongama Kongjang Sing Sang Sang Kray Youth Forum for Protection of Human Rights Ke Youth Singna Ngasi Kanglagi Western Get Tingzan Bakluina Kushinduna Manipurda Tuba Matamda Repisangi Matakta Exon Lokanaba Polishi Semu Haiba Kolausing Lautuna Protest of Kray Puramasigi Women to Wing Secretary Medina Napondo Kibada Saliba Sehi Ing Lising and Taranipangi Oina Housing Powda upon bar rape gas Taramangale Cray Hariba rape gassing Asigi Matang da Lengang Exana Mata Lobidana Lady Basikarigino Manipuda Lady Banupising Asi Manipurgi Munya Trabara Atubada Repising Matata Exon Lokanaba Polishi Amasemo Haiduna Pondoki.
Like 2018 you in a rape case Taramanga Sokre Masiva with the Sigi Sarkar. The local Maram Karigino, Makoy to Minelation Libase, Moki Paukumla, the Kogi Manipur in the piecing as a Manipuri Prazana Trabara, election Matam Nakatan piecing, Nixing Bibadom, election Nikudum Tabano, Vina, Topiro, Manipur the labor piecing, Imum putting Makita labor piecing as a rape victim or Matam the Akoi Sarkar, action logo the Ribra, Betty Bachao, Betty Parao, Hina Lauri, was in the piecing as a Buri of Tonavara.
Nakalamaram da Pisum Tong. Ningom Laikai community holder victim communities of sexual assault and various JSC of sexual assault Youth Forum for Protection of Human Rights na sinduna nomigi oiba wakan mipam pangkre ngasigi wakan mipam adu speedy investigation and a trial formulate Manipur State anti-rape law haiba demand tawraduna pangkibani ngasigi kongsang aduda joint committee ge member Wahengbam Premilana Haiki Manipurda anti-rape law ama atubada chanahalo aduga judiciary singna yamna tuna trial tawinaba amadi police singna speedy investigation tawinaba accused amada judgment pibada matungda amohna tawningdanaba ahakpa mongda judgment pibiyo Impal Mayonda Tamliba First Track Court Asigumna District Bombadaso First Track Court Tambi Haiki
Ako'y ngasi thoragpa crime khudimagta ako'y samana horasu yakhena horasu madu nemda giba ngaiba athuba matamda ako'y crime se nemda nanaba fast track court se ako'y imphanda da nataba Manipurda riba district da mafam sana magi district wise thambiba ako'y laibak thiraba sexual oidana laibak thidana leuriba family singi awaba amadi hingduna leuriba mayam sigi awaba yengiraga athuba matamda akan bacaina dibidana prasam yamu nusibiu
Urkun district ki Katsaida 33 by 11 kV power substation sabagi thabak thasigi aroiba sarukta natraga me thage ahoba sarukta ge hauragani haina power minister TS Biswajana haikre power substation asina mapum sige hauzik oiriba phibam dagi hena phaglagani haina so minister na phongdoki wapamase minister na ngarang nongaising numita Urkun district ki Katsai village da pangthopa 59th general conference kam sports meet 2018 thoramda sarwiyaduna haikibani Minister na makata arduna haikibada unemployment as a state asida asuba problem amani adumoina mag haitoi singthoba worker singna masagi sentok lahan mangami haردuna aikhoina haitoi singthoi ba oinanaba hai singderber singbo training pirabadi unemployment ge problem ase panayamna ko hanba ngamgani haike state asegi manung hanjina leba mofam singda mahang masang chatuna miyam ge oiriba phibam sing khanglabadi mahana miyam ge damakta thabak sing mai pangna pakhatpa ngamgani miyam ga maru ina later laida amadi kana khambi ubidraba singa unaduna makoi ge darkar oibising khangdokpa habise gamen ge daitene haiduna state asegi manung hangjinba mofam sing chatpagi Mage Kongsat Ase, Magi Mingsat, Hangana Banate, Palibagamin Asaki Pandam di State Asaki Mapang Kuding, Manana, Chokon Minabani Haiki. Sakolmank Area Naga Students Association na Weaving Center Amasana Navagi Pisalakiba Memorandum as Magi, Matangda Minister Biswazina Haikibada, Handloom Amas di State Asige tradition oiba kaltanatana mioikya simpam asina hingambana proposition asi yamna maru oibani haiki amade mafamdugi leaders singda lairaba yongkham leizataba weaver sing khangdungnaba hairduna weaver sing adu district administration na verify togani amasung gamena paikapa mari lenaba scheme ga chanaba yengduna yongkham sing pigani haiki loinana weaver center ama sanabagi thajaba su piki Anam Education and Cultural Research Foundation Kaksang na Sindurang asidagi Kids World Kaksang Mayai Lekaida Thataruki Oiba Pre-Primary Teachers Training Program Mahaudo Kray Training Program Haudopagi Tharomda NM Education and Cultural Research Foundation Kaksang founder KSI's Mega Chandra Cultural Activist Robert Laisang Tem Public School Kaksang Assistant Teacher KSI's Manglem Zhao Dance instructor and Premnau Kids World Kaksing Principal B Lintoingambi Debisu Yauki Training Asida Apunba Trainee Taramangana Sarugari District Legal Services Authority Imphal Westna Legal Aid Clinic Charap Court Ka Puna Sinduna Nongmagi Oiba Legal Awareness Program Amangasi Charap Court Ke Conference Hall the Pantokre Taromasi Legal Aid Clinic Charap Court Ke 6 Anniversary ga Marilena na pangthokpani Tharomda High Court of Manipur ge Acting Chief Justice and Court Asige Registered General A Guneshwar District and Session Judge Impal West Oiriba District Legal Services Authority Impal West ke Chairman M Manoj Kumar Amade District and Session Judge Impal is J Gaipul Siliona President Member Sing Oina Saduyaki Asigi Tharomda Wangaladuna Acting Chief Justice and Court Haiki.
What the process yog the Posima Yohandreva Yana Popone. Akoy Hachang Nare Haga Hata Doctor Operation Toxi, Operation Doctor Ida Leva Dave, admission Toctava, Panavamu, Tama, Pa, Nium, they in the hospital in the Masi process is Changaroeva. Hidakuna Yanaraga and Kangna Hospital Yom the Vida. Adri court yung the vida lotion base. Masik tong chap si yamna legal initially and Masia Tawilo volunteer masu yamna Taganingai way.
Bar Council of Manipur ge Ohum Suba Foundation Day ge Tharunga Iroinana Interaction Camp Law Lecture Program Ama LMA's Law College Student Unit Amade Bar Council of Manipur Anina Kusanaraga Sinduna LMS Law College the Pangtokre Tharomda High Court of Manipur ge Justice K.S. Nobind Bar Council of Manipur Ge Chairman Okram Maju Chandrana Mathangsina Athoiba Mitung Amadi Tharomop Oibagloinana High Court of Manipur Ge Advocate General and Kumarzit LMS Law College Ge Principal and the Salatu Rahman Anina Akanaba Mitung Sing Oiki Tharomda the Bar Council of Manipur Ge Administrative Committee Ge Chairman T.S. Moduna Role of Advocate in the Society Haibatimda Council Asage Disciplinary Committee Ge Chairman Kaide Manina Legal Ethics and Etiquette Amadi Vice Chairman T.H. Sobanana Dress Court of Advocate Haibatubita Wangaki.
For the rights of others, including individuals, groups, for justice is called an advocate. Temple Ajuda Justice ki Temple Asina court lawyers and advocates in multi pillars go ahead. At the tail of the pillars in the local temples in tumble down and
Manipur Sarkar ge Karmachari Singh Oiba M2 Amasung MZO ge Apunba JAC na Landamasage Sarkar ge Karmachari Singh da Teresoba Pe Phangalu Haina Dabi Tauriba Asibu Sagotuna Ngasi Ayupung Taramathoi dege Nungten Pung Ani Pawalam Pendalaiba Education SK Karmachari Singh na Office Gate Mamangda Wakan Mi Pampamduna Protest Okray Kongjangda Saruya Kibe Vice Sorozanina Pungdorokpada Zaisina Mas Kunitoi dege Changsilakiba Kongjanggi Saruki Makatarakpada April Tarukdege Karmachari Singna Office Sangdabage Kongjang Sagotuna Ngasige Kongjang Sangsan Kibani Atei Raja Singda Teresoba Pe Chanahan Bangamlaga Karikidama Manipur Sanabangam Dribano Manipur Apik State ne Karmachari Masing Yambanate Teresoba Pe Athubada Pangan Bi Haiki
Atupa state maca haidara koi Manipur nataba Manipur de hena chawa state mai amami de pibi gre adu koi Manipur mo ga yengaro ga di yam na pikpane na khali employee masing si yam koi handa bane ba koi na mi gi na pibang amaga e koi na pibang am jibi sigi maram si kan gino koi na matik saba praman galo na ACC lai ha so koi da hara ko lai tamni na mi gi di pinag na koi gi di demand si piu ha ba si na koi tawjiri Padma Ratna English Iskon Kaksingna Thadarpa Tirol Amada Class
7th A da tamlibe roll number 11 Mayang Lambam Tania Devina Ikang Khangudana Haukiba Thasige Tang Taramari da Lekidabada school sige staff sing amadi Mahirui Shingna minute ani 2 minute left na waba phongdo khrei amadi Ikang Khangudana Tania na Lekidabada Pungamdaba awaba amadi school na puhaure Tania Lekidabagi imong manungge awabadu buzaba ngamba isona Tania gi imong manungda pinabiba oishino amadi Lekidabagi thawaina isorgi mapamda ingna sikna santi oina lekiba oirisuna hairi Manipuri Student Federation MSF District Committee Ziribange President ge Pampuramba B Ratan Sarmana Lekidabada MSF District Committee Ziribange members sangna ngasi committee asagi office da waba phongdokpugi tharoma mapang thokre hairi ngasi waba pangthopa aduda saruya khibasingna lekhidrabagi thawaina mapugi manakta ingna singna lairunaba minute ani 2 minute leptuna thoni zabag loinana imung manungi awabadasu saruya ragli Kistakom lesangani taramapanda pangthokadaba Mikhalgidama data drival campaign amagi proposal amapi ge haina Cambridge Analytica na Congress Party da haukiba sahida haiki madugidama lupa crore lesangani 10 mek mangaram changani haiki madugi matangda meeting ama research firm aduga Congress Party ga pangthokibadi lei adumapu sahi tamnakibadi leitri haiba wafam Congress Party na phongdokre Congress ke data analytics department ke makok Pravin Chakravarti na haiki commercial proposal ama phangle haibasina yanaba ama leire haina lofam thokte lamai yankhai panba proposal adu lesangane taratari ke August haina thari mamingna data drival campaign the part to 2019 Lok Sabha hairi Cambridge Analytica ke CEO Alexander Nixna Matamaduge Congress Party ge Vice President Oikiba Rahul Gandhi ga unakiba aduga Hanagi Union Minister Singh Jairam Ramesh amasong pieces number so yauki hairi Kistakom lesangani tareta Hyderabad ke Mecca Masjid tathokiba bom pokhai handuna attack sathaki batokta mara laire haina mioi manga gi maming panbada yauriba Swami Asimanand mara leite haina kona haikre Lebagasi top anti-terror body oidiba National Investigation Agency NIA na matik sabakudam sangdam Pibangamde haina kod aduna haiki haukiba sahi me taranipanda irai numit ke nama solingeda bomgi attack satharatuna miyo yankhai hena son kibani NIA na case adu CBI dagi lisingini taramathoida lokibani Sahi yankhani thoi Surabi Dennis Nupi Amabo lisingini taramarida Delida gang rap tawuda January bamara leribising adu mapunsi supa jail da thamnaba code amana pikiba Wayal adu Delhi High Court su sawakre Convincing aduna tharapadar khasu court na lokidre Justice as Moralidhar amasung IS Mehta na saba bench aduna haiki victim ge testimony amasung DNA report yenglabang matungda well adu lokibani gang rape ki thaudo adubu myoibaki machan ate amade me yamna tamthiba litne hairuduna trial court na lisangene taraturke jun tarada repis manga adubu mapunsigi phadokpi khibani Police na piba report ke matung analysis ngane taramari January taramari ge numidang mioi mapana thang utuna ki halaga Dennis nupi adudagi senmon ke amadi phamlan bagi thabak sathaki hairi Housing sanabagi pawbizari All Ziribam Sport Association Ziribam na Sanduna Ziribam Government High Secondary School ge playground chathariba YKSO Singh Memorial Senior Volleyball Tournament 2018 ge ngasi sanakiba ahanba match da LSYC Lanpanina BBC Bibo 25-16 25-20 25-17 na maithiba biki ngasi ge ani suba match da na Tadbung YC na UPC Usatolbu 25-23 25-18 25-19 na maithiba biki hauzi aroiba da maroiba pau amone pizari Road to London Adventure Overland ngasi Chief Minister and Birena Lamthakre Nupi angang da chataba miot minei ge mayukta tongan ba khungsang sing kre Loinana tha taruk sathakra daba primary teachers training program haudokre Image Paodam ngasi ge matang sidaloisere mi tabira punamapu amukana khurumjari